Hey, YouTube friends and family. Now we are cooking on Meatless Monday. We are cooking from the garden and the store. So I have ginger paste, soy sauce, fried rice seasoning, very good garlic, Tabitha Brown, spaghetti, Miracle Noodles. I found these at the salvage store. Check out one of my salvage hauls to see what I find at the salvage store. I cannot remember where I found this, either at the salvage store or the Asian market. I have olive oil. I have an onion from the store, a carrot from the store. Now, these are from the garden. I found this on the ground yesterday. I'm like, no, we're going to eat this. Yeah, we can eat food off the ground. It's coming out the ground. So, and I found that, picked that. And this one came from the garden. It's small, just enough for this type of dish. I have not washed it yet. That's why it looks like that. And it was almost under attack. Yeah, I don't know if a deer came to bite out of it, a goose or what, but we gonna eat it. We shared with whatever bit off of this. So I'm gonna cut it up, slice it up, chop it up, and we'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Did some little chopping. Didn't want to make a long video. That's why I'm doing little bits and pieces here. I got my cabbage. That made for a lot of cabbage because this is a huge bowl. I found a partial onion, like 3/4 of an onion, just cut through that. That made enough. The 1 carrot, the one piece of tiny bell pepper, and I did pull a little red sweet pepper out to go with that red bell pepper from the garden. And then I also added this ingredient, the spicy chili crisp, and I put some of that on these dreadful looking mushrooms, and along with the very good garlic tab brown seasoning, and just to marinate a little bit before I let it hit the hot pan. So stay tuned. Okay, so we've added all the little veggies in here except for the cabbage, and we've added a spot of the ginger paste. Season the taste with the very good garlic, the fried rice seasoning, all to taste. I'm trying to make it low sodium, but we're going to see how it turns out. Because after you add all that in soy sauce, ooh-wee, that fried rice seasoning and soy sauce may do a lot to it. But I'm going to stir this up a little bit. Then I'll add the cabbage, about a handful. Hopefully it's dry enough. And I'm not using a tripod. I do apologize. But it made a plenty. And then I'll add my meat, or my meatless mushrooms that have been marinating in the chili crisp, and a little bit of the very good garlic. And I almost want to season this layer, but I'm going to try to hold out. And I almost want to add some Saison, but I'm going to hold out because I want to keep it low sodium. I'm trying to eat a little bit better. You can eat all the vegetables in the world, but if you salt the heck out of them, they're still no good for you. So we're trying this. I'm just making this up as I go along, so hopefully it turns out right. Okay, so I have drained the Miracle Noodles. There's not much in here at all. This is my first time trying these things, so we'll find out how they taste. And then I've already added the sad looking oyster mushrooms to this, and you see it's cooking down mighty nice. And I'm going to try to break some of this up. This is my first time using these oyster mushrooms too, ever in life. That looks fabulous. I'm going to add a lot more of that spicy chili crisp. I don't think it's real spicy, so I'm going to add more of that. And we're still deciding if we're going to add some Saison or not. But it's time to dump the noodles. I am loving. Now this is one Temu thing that definitely gets playtime in my house. This was my best purchase from Temu, and that's this little strainer for when you're draining noodles, canned goods, things like that, to rinse them. It keeps you from dropping stuff in the sink. Check out that Temu haul. I'll link it above. And but this looks pretty good. I just wish I'd have had more of these noodles. Again, I found these noodles at the salvage store. They normally sell for $5 a bag. However, they were $2 at the salvage store. And if I like it, hopefully I can get over there and get some more. They have 0 carbs or 1 net carb or something like that. And they're made of something called a konjac noodle. But yeah, it's coming out good. This is like my take on a lo mein or something Asian for this meatless Monday. But that looks extremely filling, extremely tasty. I'm just trying to get the noodles worked in and heat it up, heat it through. Yeah, extremely tasty. You won't miss the meat in this dish. I do see that. Now I'm going to add soy sauce to taste. I've already spilled the bunch. But yeah, I did get the premium light. I think this is Dollar Tree. I'm going to add some of that. Ooh. Well, I added a lot of that. Ooh, I shouldn't have added that much. Whoops. Talking to y'all, getting me in trouble. So I'm going to plate this up and show you that. And I guess I'll take a taste on camera. We'll see. And see how this turns out. So here's the finished product. Let's just say, cameraman said, nope, thumbs down. It's good. Needs a little bit more fried rice seasoning. Delicious. There's the finished product. Delicious. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out some of my other videos. And if you like this, subscribe. I do some cooking, but not a lot. I do a lot of gardening. Now you see what I do with what I grow. So come on over here and join us. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Tell me if you would try this recipe. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Prep and pray. I love you to life. Have a great day.